Sony's long-awaited mid-range camera, widely tracked by insiders, rumor sites, and creators hungry for the next big leap in hybrid shooting performance, is finally approaching its official unveiling, and excitement continues to grow as new leaks, updated specifications, and behind-the-scenes reports surface almost daily, painting a much clearer picture of how the upcoming Sony A7V will position itself inside Sony's rapidly evolving alpha ecosystem, especially now that fresh documents, schedule, leaks, and insider confirmations appear to lock in a global announcement date around December 2, 2025, with a slight possibility that the reveal may shift to December 3 depending on regional time zones. And this newly surfaced invitation graphic, reportedly sent to international media outlets, appears to confirm that Sony is preparing to introduce a significantly upgraded 33-megapixel sensor, potentially a brand new generation instead of reusing the existing A7 IV sensor, because several credible analysts have pointed out that without a redesigned sensor architecture, delivering oversampled 4K 60p video without a heavy crop would be nearly impossible, meaning that the A7V is shaping up to be more than a mild refresh, instead becoming one of Sony's most compelling mid-tier cameras in years, especially as multiple sources now claim that of the three originally rumored limitations, no open-gate recording, 4K 60p with a crop, and missing pre-capture functionality, two of those three limitations are now expected to be fully resolved, drastically improving the camera's appeal for filmmakers, content creators, and professional shooters who rely on modern AI-autofocus tools, improved rolling shutter performance, and the expanded real-time recognition algorithms that Sony has been developing for its flagship bodies like the A12 and A9 III. And speaking of AI, one of the biggest surprises circulating in recent reports is that the A7 May 5 introduce a brand new feature not previously included in any Sony camera, not even the flagship lines, although leakers haven't yet clarified whether this innovation is related to computational exposure blending, advanced handheld stabilization firmware, dynamic range optimization through on-sensor processing, cloud-connected capture enhancements, live ND simulation similar to OM Systems Live ND, or something completely unexpected. But whatever this secret feature is, many Sony users are already speculating that it may become a standard tool across future alpha bodies if it proves useful and well implemented. And beyond that, additional updates suggest that the A7V will support Sony's new generation AI processing unit, enhancing subject detection performance across humans, animals, birds, vehicles, insects and more, making it feel much closer to Sony's higher-end models and reducing the gap between mid-range and flagship tier even further, especially now that the A7V is rumored to inherit the same style of four-way articulating rear LCD seen on the A7R V and A9 III, a design that offers the flexibility of both a flipping vari-angle screen and a tilt screen, giving filmmakers, vloggers, and photographers a more durable and ergonomic solution compared to a traditional flip-out panel. And while early reports suggested that the customizable C5 button might return, more authoritative leaks now confirm that the A7V will not include a C5 button on the front shoulder, though Sony will still include dual card slots, maintaining compatibility with the workflow most hybrid shooters prefer today, while also keeping the camera body relatively compact and allowing efficient heat dissipation during extended video recordings, an area where Sony has increasingly optimized thermal architecture since the original A7S III. And alongside all these performance leaks, the improved 5.6 million EVF is expected to bring sharper magnification, reduced latency, smoother motion display, and better color accuracy, bringing it closer to EVFs found on premium professional cameras while still keeping the body design similar to the A7R V rather than the more squared and grip-heavy designs seen in Sony's high-end sports-oriented A9 III or the A1 series, meaning Sony clearly aims for a hybrid audience, creators who want stronger video specs than the A7 IV but don't necessarily need the extreme high-speed, global shutter-level performance of Sony's flagship models, and with pricing estimates now rumored to be around $3,000, approximately 460,000 yen. This marks a significant increase when compared to the A7 IV's 360,000 yen launch price, mirroring an industry-wide trend where mid-range mirrorless prices have climbed due to inflation, sensor manufacturing costs, and the rising expectations of hybrid creators who demand better video performance, stronger AI tools, improved color pipelines, and more robust heat management. Similar to how Canon's recent EOS R6 Mark III has increased in price as well, suggesting that 40 million yen class mid-range bodies may become the new normal. And even though early shipping numbers may be limited, meaning only a small group of early pre-orders may receive their units before Christmas, most reliable supply chain analysts claim that the majority of customers should expect actual deliveries to begin in early 2026, especially if pre-order volumes exceed Sony's initial production expectations, which is extremely likely given the combination of redesigned sensor technology, stronger video capabilities, advanced autofocus powered by next-generation AI processing, and the mysterious new feature not present in any previous alpha body. And as for the broader performance package, the A7V is still expected to deliver 15 frames per second continuous shooting with mechanical or electronic shutter support, 8-stop in-body image stabilization with refined sensor shift algorithms, dramatically improved real-time tracking performance due to the dedicated AI chip inherited from newer Sony bodies, and enhanced menu structures optimized for hybrid creators needing faster video configuration, real-time LUT previewing, updated color science pipelines, and more stable long-form recording for YouTube creators, documentary shooters, event videographers, and run-and-gun filmmakers who often push their cameras across multiple environments, varying light conditions, and long-duration shoots, and for professionals who have been working with the A7 IV for years, many of whom are now noticing aging limitations such as weaker pre-capture behavior, older AF classification models, and heat limitations in certain high-resolution recording modes. The A7V appears to be the natural successor that finally bridges the gap between mid-range affordability and high-end capabilities, especially as creators shift to long-form content, 4K 60p capture without crop, vertical video production, and real-time delivery workflows that align perfectly with modern platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Reels, and for photographers and videographers who depend heavily on Sony's reliability in professional environments, from weddings and corporate shoots to commercial product work, social media creation, outdoor filmmaking, and travel vlogging. The upcoming A7 May 5th deliver exactly the upgrade path they've been waiting for, particularly for those already working with a dual-camera A7 IV setup who have been hoping for a mid-range model that incorporates the AI-powered autofocus advancements of the A7R V and a 9 III without stepping into flagship pricing. And with just about 2 weeks left until the official announcement, leaks will likely accelerate even further, meaning creators should expect additional details to emerge about thermal performance, codec options, S-Cinetone improvements, rolling shutter behavior, autofocus recognition categories, dynamic range metrics, ISO noise handling, and the reveal of that mysterious new feature Sony has strategically withheld from the rest of the alpha lineup. And as anticipation continues to build globally, many creators, filmmakers, and photographers are preparing to upgrade their setups, eagerly waiting for the moment the Sony A7V becomes official so they can place their pre-orders, secure early shipping slots, and integrate the next generation of Sony's hybrid technology into their workflows for 2026 and beyond, making this one of the most exciting mid-range camera launches Sony has produced in years, combining groundbreaking performance, refined ergonomics, deep learning model improvements, enhanced sensor technology, and creator-focused features that are likely to dominate YouTube camera discussions for months to come.